hummus. I'm so excited. I finally found chickpeas in a larger package. Yay, we're gonna make hummus. Okay, so we're going to be using the Vitamix. So first we're gonna put our chickpeas in. Big kitty, okay, can you put this in, please? Here. Get all the chickpeas in. And we have to wipe this off all later. Okay, so then we're gonna put a clove of garlic in. And with the Vitamix, garlic, the taste of garlic really becomes strong. So if you don't want a whole piece, you could do half. I might do half because I want the kids to eat it. So maybe like half a clove for this amount. And then we have to put sesame seeds in. In Japan, I shouldn't say in Japan, you could probably get it here, but I don't have any access to tahini near my house at the grocery store, so I'm just gonna put sesame seeds in. So I'm going to do about a quarter cup. I have to put it in here. Yeah, can you put it in here? Good job. We're gonna put some water in. About the same amount of sesame seeds because that's the substitute for the tahini. Yep. And then normally I will put a lemon in, but I have this. It's kabosu. It's a citrus from my husband's hometown. I'm gonna put here 1 tablespoon of this in, and yes, that's right. Okay, thank you. So a quarter of a teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, normally we'll put some cumin in, but I won't because my kids don't really like it. And then we just put it on the Vitamix. Okay, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, I started this, but then I realized I forgot the olive oil. A little bit of olive oil. Oh, it's okay, you can eat it. Is it good? It's good, okay. And you just a little bit of olive oil on. And if you like, you can put the paprika on. I won't because of my kids. No, you just lick that finger. I'll give you some. Okay, ready, say this is our hummus.